Hey everybody, today we have got a tripod from the Trakiom company, and with hunting season right around the corner, they sent us this to do a review on, so we're taking a look at it. We just unboxed it, and you can see it's got a padded V attachment on the top, which has a good swivel action, and this is rubberized as well as serrated in there, so you get a good grip on your rifle or shotgun. Also, the main tube here is adjustable. If you wanted to get some real height with that, you could do it. So if anybody who hunts with elevations, you can see where you get a stable platform in the field with pretty good reach on that. Legs are adjustable, and what we're going to do is take those down. There are locking levers on the top so that you get some stability on it. And we're not going to be shooting with this one today. We do hope to get it out during this coming deer season. For some of the blinds, it's going to fit perfectly in there, and it'll probably go the range just to give a stable platform when we're out there, whether it's sighting in or just enjoying the shooting sports. So each leg is a 3-section, and you've got these knobs. Loosen, it'll tighten up for you. It's surprisingly light. We'll see what the sturdiness of it is in the future. Made of aluminum. Tops are padded. So it takes down, sets up quickly, easily. There's also a hook on the bottom where you could, if you've got a hunting bag, or if you wanted to hook on your carry case, which it comes with. Decent little nylon case. And when we unpacked it, it had the V section detached and carried inside. Comes off. It's nicely inside. There you go, you've got an adjustable strap. You throw that on. I would have to extend that out, but yeah, you can throw that on along with your kit and go enjoy either a day in the field or enjoy your hunt. These are available from Amazon. Trakiom sent this to us to review, and we'll be doing some more detailed reviews on these. There'll be a link below to where you can get one, and they run just under $66. So hope you try one out. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.